Here is the question. May a woman commit and be convicted for the crime of rape? Defend your answer. Before I give my suggested answer, let us first discuss the two ways of committing rape under RA number 8353 or the Anti-Rape Law of 1997 as amended. Under the Anti-Rape Law, rape may be committed in two modes. The first mode is rape through sexual intercourse, which is also known as organ rape or penile rape. The second mode is rape by sexual assault, which is also known as instrument or object rape or gender-free rape. For rape through sexual intercourse, the elements are as follows. It is committed by a man who shall have carnal knowledge of a woman under any of the following circumstances: through force, threat, or intimidation, when the offended party is deprived of reason or otherwise unconscious, by means of fraudulent machination or grave abuse of authority, or when the offended party is under 16 years of age or is demented, even though none of the circumstances mentioned above be present. For rape by sexual assault, the elements are as follows. It is committed by any person under any of the circumstances in the commission of rape through sexual intercourse, shall commit an act of sexual assault by inserting his penis into another person's mouth or anal orifice, or any instrument or object into the genital or anal orifice of another person. With those things in mind, here is my suggested answer. Yes, a woman may commit and be convicted of rape. Under the anti-rape law, rape may be committed by any person, either a man or a woman, who shall commit an act of sexual assault by inserting any instrument or object into the genital or anal orifice of another person against the latter's will. Alright, that's how I answer it. Feel free to leave your own suggested answer in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.